This tutorial will guide you through making traditional Jamaican Bammy from scratch, a staple flatbread with a rich history rooted in the indigenous Arawak culture of Jamaica. Bammy is made from cassava root and is known for its mild, slightly sweet and nutty flavor, with a unique texture that's crisp on the outside and tender within. Introduction to Jamaican Bammy. Jamaican Bammy is a versatile, gluten-free flatbread made from cassava, also known as yuca or manioc. It has been a cornerstone of Jamaican cuisine for centuries, traditionally served with dishes like escovitch fish, stews, or soups. The process involves grating fresh cassava, pressing out its starchy liquid, forming discs, and then cooking them, often with a soak in coconut milk for added flavor and moisture. Ingredients: fresh cassava root, approximately 2–4 pounds, about 4 medium roots, peeled. Sweet variety is recommended. Salt, 1 teaspoon, or to taste. Coconut milk, 1–2 cups, for soaking optional, but highly recommended for flavor and texture. Regular milk or water can be substituted. Cooking oil, vegetable oil or ghee for frying. Equipment box grater or food processor for grating the cassava. Cheesecloth or nut milk bag, essential for squeezing out liquid from the grated cassava. Large bowl, for mixing and soaking. Frying pan, flat iron, or griddle, for cooking the bammy. Spatula or back of a spoon, for flattening the patties. Step-by-step tutorial. Prepare the cassava. Carefully peel the cassava roots. The skin has a thick white layer under a purplish thinner layer. Make a vertical incision through the white layer, then gently lift and pull the skin away from the flesh. Once peeled, soak the cassava pieces in a large bowl of cold water. Grate the cassava using the smallest holes of a box grater or by cutting it into smaller pieces and processing it in a food processor. Extract starch and moisture. Place the grated cassava into a cheesecloth or nut milk bag. Squeeze the cloth very hard to remove as much white liquid starch water as possible. Discard this liquid or save it if you wish to extract the tapioca starch for other uses. This step is crucial for the Bammy's texture. Break apart the squeezed cassava pulp with your fingers and spread it on a large sheet pan to air dry for about 30 minutes. Allow